Is up, YouTube? Do you want the best kind of traffic that there is, completely for free, without doing any product launches, without having to do pretty much anything at all? If so, stay with me. I've got something really interesting to show you in my review of Livio. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I'm known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, regular viewers of the channel know it's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, that is me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can get as stale as well watching Groundhog Day, because it feels like Groundhog Day, since this is the third video I'm doing today, and I kind of make the same jokes over and over again, so it feels like Groundhog Day. But if you haven't seen Groundhog Day, by the way, it's a great movie. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and they make money on my niche. Now, why on earth would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually very simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Every single time you gotta do that? Really? You know what? This is the third time I've heard from him today. Do you know how irritating that guy is? All the time, over and over again. Crap. You'd think he must have something better to do. Bart, get a life, really? Anyway, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz also says the same thing every day. To be honest, I'm getting a little tired of her too, but at least she's sweet about it. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Livio.
I'm gonna put on my Liberace records.
No, not Liberace, Livio. Pay attention. Anyway, but seriously, so Livio is a brand new piece of software that just came out a couple of days ago, and it's actually pretty different than what I usually review, which was a nice change of pace. It's actually something that is very close to my heart. You see, before I became the man with a hat, before I started running this channel, I worked for many years as a writer, and I wrote one of the main websites I wrote for was a blog all about SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and basically what that means is getting Google to think that you're popular. So the way I like to explain it is that it's kind of like when you were in high school and you wanted to be popular. So you might go and find one of the popular kids and kind of become friends with him or her. And then by association, people would say, oh, well, you're friends with this popular person, then you must be popular too. And so by association, you became popular. Well, Google kind of works the same way. Basically, the idea is that if you have links on popular websites, then basically that tells Google, oh, this must be a good website because these big popular websites are linking to it, so therefore this must be a good website. Let's go ahead and link to it also. And then you, by association, become popular and get lots of free traffic. Now, why is this the most valuable traffic? I'll explain. You see, there's two kinds of free traffic. I mean, there's also, of course, the traffic that you get from your own products, the people who have already grown to know, like, and trust you. Of course, those are the very best. But if you are looking for free traffic and you're not looking to launch a product, then SEO is probably the best kind of traffic. And the reason that it is so powerful is this. People who go onto Google and search for something, when they find a result, and as long as you're in the first 3 or 4 results, beyond that, the results drop dramatically. But if you're in the first 3, 4, 5 results, you can get a lot of traffic from people that are looking for whatever it is they're searching for. So, for example, if they are searching for lawnmowers, then if you happen to run a site about lawnmowers and you are able to rank in first place, you are going to get a ton of traffic. And the nice thing is that people who are searching on Google, they tend to be the type of people who are really wanting to actually buy something. They're searching for specific things, so they tend to be the kind of people who want to buy something, as opposed to a more casual person, for example, that you might find on Facebook, who basically is being interrupted in their day and being told, hey, are you interested in buying a lawnmower? Well, maybe they are, maybe they aren't. But somebody who's actively searching for lawnmowers, they want to buy a lawnmower. That's what the reason is that they're searching for it. Otherwise, they're just really fascinated by the idea of cutting grass. Anyhow, so, sorry for that long introduction, but I wanted to get that out of the way. I also want to tell you about my custom bonuses, because I got a really, really good custom bonus for you today. So basically, the custom bonus is going to be as follows. So I'm going to be giving you, first and foremost, I'm going to give you my own Seo Explosion Software. Let me go ahead and pull up my list over here. Seo Explosion Software, basically, it's a little bit similar to what Livio does, but a little bit different. It's designed to analyze a website and give you information. Now, Livio also will analyze the website. We're going to take a look at the members area in just a minute. I'm going to show you how exactly how the whole thing works. But the bottom line is that it does do a lot of things that Livio doesn't do. So the two of them combined really give you a powerful product. Now, as far as where you're beginning, you're going to get the WP SEO Track plugin. You're also going to be getting the WP List Up plugin. You're going to be getting the Social Pop-ups plugin. You're going to be getting the Social Media Boom software. You're going to be getting the Boost Your Website Traffic, Foolproof Traffic System Gold, Recurring Income Strategies, YouTube Leads plugin, the WP Affiliate System, Modern Video Marketing, and on top of all that, if that is not enough for you, then, well, I've got more for you, basically. On top of all that good stuff, I'm also going to be giving you, let me pull up the list again real quick, and I will tell you what else I'm going to be giving you. I got another 6 bonuses beyond those 10 and beyond SEO Explosion. I'm really going all out with the bonuses this time. So beyond all those things, I'm also going to be giving you, let me find my list, because I have so many bonuses, kind of hard to keep track of all the bonuses that I'm giving away sometimes, you know. Here is my list. Let me pull this up. Okay, so in addition to all those things, you're also going to be getting access to FB Traffic Hack, getting FB Traffic Enigma, Traffic Titan, Easy Profit Secrets, and 6-minute profits. That's on top of all the other stuff that I told you about. So you're getting a total of, 16 different bonuses when you go ahead and grab Livio from me. So a really, really nice package of bonuses. Let's go ahead and check out the members area of Livio. I want to show you exactly how the software works. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put in the name of a website to analyze. So let's go ahead and, I don't know, we'll analyze, let's say Fiverr.com. Okay, and we're just going to type it in. And what it's going to do is it's going to actually give us a report telling us everything there is to know about Fiverr. So you can see here, freelance services marketplace. It gives you information about how long the title should be, the meta description, the meta keyword, the whole 9 yards. Everything is included here for you. All the details, and it's a very, very, very detailed report telling you about the website. Now, my own SEO Explosion will do something similar to this, but not exactly the same. It's going to give you different information. Between the two, you really get a lot of information that can help you to build up your SEO online, basically. Now, in addition to all these things, by the way, if you go ahead and pick up any upgrade to Livio, then what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to actually give you an SEO campaign, because Livio is great, but it's not going to set up the SEO for you. They'll teach you how to do it a little bit. I'm going to give it to you for free, usually $25. You're going to get it completely for free from me. That's going to be included as a bonus when you pick up any upgrade. So let's see if I'm going to give it to my as a product grader or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed, you rock. Love the software. Very, very well done. Really, really nice. Yeah, go ahead and grab this one. This one is a good one. You're going to love it.